Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another amazing infographic video in PowerPoint. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert this donut shape. Next, you have to reduce its outline and then you have to go change its color from the format shape and shape fill and then remove its outline. Next, you have to insert this rectangle as straight as this and as long as this, and then you have to like duplicate it and it changes color first of all, and then duplicate it and rotate it on 90 degrees and put it into the center and the middle. Duplicate it again and go to like size of the shape and go to 45-degree rotation. And similarly for the other duplicated shape, you have to just flip it vertically like all of these shapes and give them a simple color. And next insert around it corner like another donut with the same shape, size and width, and you have to put it right on this and you have to decrease its like inner shape style like outline, and then you have to change this color. Next what you have to do is insert another circle with a height and width of about 8 centimeter, and then put it into the center and the middle of this template. Change this color and I duplicate it and then decrease that duplicated shape size and change its color and give it a gradient. So all of the gradient I'm going to use is like this as the gradient that I took from like a website named IU Gradients. Let's just give it a shadows and here you go. For amazing gradients, you can just search up the internet and you can write best gradients and you can just copy the color codes from there and then put them in PowerPoint. So let's give a shadow good from a background and insert an image that is best suitable for this template. So I'll select this rectangle and put it onto the half of the template, and you have to cut the half remaining. And next increase the transparency of its gradient. Yeah, something like this. Close the format shape, and then the next thing you have to do is just insert a text box in which you're gonna write your respective text and change its font and like change its color as well, and then you can duplicate it and then place it into its respective place, and then you can like change the colors and everything else that you want. Next, insert a title into this small circle and change its color to white. Insert your content text as well, and the next thing you do is just decrease its size and cut any part that you don't want in your template. So I'll just cut the remaining part, like I'll choose a really small information of text, and let's just change its color to white as well. By the way, you can download this infographic template for free from the link in the description below, and you can use it and customize it and everything you want. You can just use it for any of your purposes. Yeah, so that's it. Next, you have to go to Insert tab and icons and choose 9 icons from here. As you can see, there are plenty of icons right here that you can choose from, and there are a variety of icons that you can select from. So I'm just gonna select icons related to business. Let's just decrease their size and change the color to white and put them out of the template, and then put each of them in their respective positions. Insert any other headers if you want, and then insert the content text and decrease its size and give it some line spacing and put it right here. Next, you can just duplicate it and change its color or font and then put it onto the other side. Here you go. Next, insert this warmer shape and change color to white and give it transparency. And then the next thing you're going to do is duplicate it and put it and flip it like horizontally and put them right here like this. Then select both of them after adjusting them and then duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus D. And then you have to flip them horizontally. Select all of the content except for the rhombus shapes and then you have to send them to the front. Here you go. So this is how it works. And so this was a full tutorial on how to make this amazing infographic template. So if you liked our hard work and our tutorial, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.